So peeps, earlier this morning when I woke up, I came across some headlines that says reggae and Grammy nominated artist Jah Cure, C63, was involved in a motor vehicle accident with his Mercedes-Benz motor vehicle. At the time, the information was a bit sketchy, so I decided I would have waited a bit to get some more. Still not where I wanted to be, but I'm going to share with you. It says Jah Cure's 2017 Mercedes-Benz reportedly involved in car accident. Jah Cure involved in car accident. Artiste crashed his Mercedes-Benz and Jah Cure escapes injury after crashing his 2017 Mercedes-Benz. We're happy that he is okay. I'm going to talk to him about it in a few soon circle. Before we proceed, smash the like button to pieces. Leave a comment. Please share the life out of this video. Feel free to subscribe for more content. Remember to turn on your notification so as to never miss another video.
Let's do it.
Reggae artist C63 OC Jah Cure narrowly escaped injuries after his 2017 Mercedes-Benz AMG C63 was involved in an accident Saturday night, August 12, 2017. It is understood that the accident occurred near an intersection on the Salem Main Road in Runaway Bay, St. Anne. A driver allegedly drove out on Cure, and in trying to avoid a collision, Jah Cure, who was driving his car, lost control of the vehicle, which then slammed into a tree, eyewitnesses said. Speaking with residents, the Cure made it clear he wasn't at fault. Me tell you this, me not just crash saying no daddy, he said. Is a man do that to me. You see, a while ago, he added. News of the accident comes after Jah Cure much publicized purchase of the car back in June, which he allegedly dropped Jamaican 30 million for the German-made luxury vehicle. This is a video of Cure talking about the car earlier this year.
You know I see about that stuff, yeah. You ready? Some of them demonstrate all the C63. Pretend that you come from the supermarket, you have grocery and you are. See me?
Hold on. Do that again.
Yeah, man, I'm swipe it back, man. And she lock.
Oh, the bomb up class are going in a car.
So it work.
Let me feel like I'm not drive Benz. How can I car this? See what is?
C63, man. She's the beast. We call her Beauty and the Beast. My friend will give her a nickname and call her the Fighter Jet.
So you know, so right now this is leading at Jamaica, right?
The leading one in Jamaica right now. I'm the only man driving one of the C63. Artiste must build up them clout and them value. Show your
Bob Marley got Bob Marley and the way of BMW.
No doubt. The general now go less.
Really?
So remember that, yeah?
Brothers inside.
Represent class. Rasta around the world.
Watch the head up. So Rasta here. Clear. Check out the Broadmoor. Continue.
So that is the situation at the moment. There are videos circulating online, so you could go and check those out if you feel the need to do so. The thing though is that the car was damaged. Thankfully, the artist, and I don't know if there were any passengers in the vehicle, was not hurt, so that is good, or so the stories are saying. You understand? God is good. Done. I mean, insurance should be able to take care of the car, because I'm sure it would be comprehensively insured. You understand? Might be a setback, but all's well that ends well. Jah guide, and you have to just be careful on the road. And anywhere in St. Anne along the North Coast Highway is a dangerous place. So you have to be vigilant, you have to be careful, and you have to drive defensively on that stretch. You understand what I mean? So thankfully the artist is okay, and I know he's probably a bit shaken up, but all's well that ends well. You understand? Cure, big up yourself. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.